All right, so now we're going to apply these divisibility rules to a little bit of harder thinking problems. So first, we have 15 is a divisor of n. Another way to say that is 15 divides a number. So for example, I'm just going to give n a name here. So 15 is a divisor of 30. So in this case, n would be 30. It's kind of an example of this generic problem up here. So what other numbers must also be divisors for this? So what we're looking for basically is divisors of 15, because every divisor of 15 will also be a divisor of 30. So 15 has two divisors, so that would be 3 and 5. So those are my answers. 3 and 5 have to be the other, misspelled, 2 instead of T-O. Sorry about that. What two other numbers must also be divisors? So you're always looking for what is the divisor of your given number here. All right, next, we've got a group of people ordering pencils, and the bill was $2.09. The original price of the pencils is 12 cents each, and now we know the price has risen, so they're more than 12 cents. So they're 13 cents or 14 cents, something like that. They can't be 10. They have to be more than 12. And we want to know how much each pencil costs now. Well, since the bill was $2.09, the cost has to divide that. So the new cost is a divisor of $2.09. So I'm just going to divide until I get something that looks nice and pretty and even like. With the cents here, you do have to worry a little bit. So $2.09 is actually 209 cents. So I'm going to take 209 and divide it by things bigger than 12. So I'm just going to start with 13. So 209 divided by 13 does not divide evenly. So that's not my answer. So I'm going to keep on going. I'm going to do 209 divided by 14. Divide that. It doesn't divide evenly. Now, if you don't like the 209 and 13, you could just write it as the $2.09 and write your cents as decimals. So like I'll try 15. $2.09 divided by my 15 cents. And this one is not going to work either. No, that gives me a repeating decimal. So I keep on going, dividing these. And if I keep going up and up and up, if I get to 19, it should work out fine. So you can give that a try. If we divide either way, with the decimal or not, so the $2.09 divided by 19 cents, or 209 divided by 19. When I type that in, this one divides evenly, so that's my answer, is 19 cents. So just kind of a real life example of when we need to think about divisors and something dividing evenly. All right, last example here for our divisors. So we've got a number here. It's 85,000 something. I don't know what goes in these spots. So maybe 85,431. And we want to pick the numbers that go in these two spots so that it's divisible by 99. Well, there are 100 different possibilities, and I don't want to just simply guess and check on every single one. Up here in this problem, I did just do guess and check. I started with 13, and I hoped that it wouldn't take a long time. This one, I don't want to do that because there's a lot of different possibilities, 10 for each of these. 10 times 10 is 100, so I don't want to test 100 things. So instead, I'm going to use this idea of divisible by 99. If something's divisible by 99, according to our first example with the 15, this also must be divisible by 9 and 11. Well, I know a rule for 9. It's the sum. So I'm going to add up these numbers. So I've got an 8 and a 5. I don't know what those blank spaces are, so I'm going to put a 1. Well, 8 plus 5 plus 1 is 14. The rule for 9 says if the sum is divisible by 9, then the whole number is divisible by 9. Well, 14 is not divisible by 9, but 18 is. So I have 14, but I need it to become 18. So 14 becomes 18 by adding 4. So I'm going to add 4. Remember, it's 2 digits. So sums that add up to 4. So I could have a 0 and a 4 and a 0, a 1 and a 3 and a 1, and a 2 and a 2. So just make sure you're following me. I'm saying I could have the number 85,041. Again, I'm getting that from right here. Or I could have 85,401, filling in these blank spots. 85,000, I'll write this one out, 85,131, or 85,311, or 85,221. So now instead of having 11 things to, or 100 things to check, I only have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's way easier. So now I'm just going to check these numbers. So I'm going to type in 85,041 into my calculator. So I'm going to type in 85,041, and I'm going to see if this is divisible by 99. And it just happens that it is. I just happen to choose the first one to be the one I checked. So this is my number. My answer is 85,041. 85,041. You can try the other ones. You can try 85,131, and it's not divisible by 99. So this is my only answer that works for this problem.